Now import the clip you'll be working on, and now go to the Fusion page, press Ctrl space and type Planar Tracker, hit enter, and now connect media in 1, Planar Tracker 1 and media out 1, and now select the frame where you can accurately draw the plane, set reference time, and now draw the plane, and now track forward and go to the reference time and track backward, and now drag and drop the clip that you want to set on the plane. Go to the planar tracker, from track select corner pin. You'll see the clip is kind of messed up, so corner pin it accurately on the surface that we tracked. And let's see the clip.